So I received this box by Influenster, and inside this box I have the new cake pencil eyeliner by Kat Von D, and also in this box I have the tattoo eye pencil. So I'm going to be using both to create this simple and easy way of applying eyeliner. So I'll go ahead and open this box to show you guys what I received, and we jump right into the video. Okay, so inside there I have the two. This is the tattoo liner, of course it's black, and I have the new cake pencil, also by Kat Von D, both of them. And they have this pamphlet that comes with it that talks about, you know, how to apply it and all that good stuff. And they said, congratulations, you're one of the first to try this new cake pencil eyeliner. So I'm going to be using this to achieve what we're about to do together. Okay, so let's jump right into it.
There comes a time in every man's life.
Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do turn on your notification bell as well, in order for you to know whenever I upload. I'm still learning as well, but I think I got quite a bit hint of how to do it in very easy and simple way. So if you have a tape at home, you could use it in place of this. This is what I have at home. I thought I have the tape, but I couldn't find anyone. So I'm going to be using this too. So we're going to use one of these on one side of the eye, and we'll try this. Let's see how this is going to work. Trust me, I have not done this behind the camera. This is my first time, and I'm going to give it a shot. It's the felt liquid eyeliner, the one that you have to shake in order for the ink to come right down, so it will be effective for you. And the tip is pointed, and I believe this will be easier to use because, like I said, it's the felt one. Then you have to like shake. You can hear the sound for the pen, for the ink to come right there, so it will be effective. So
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles. Let's go.
So I went off the camera and popping my first lashes, and I used the eye pencil that they sent me, which is the new Cake Pencil Intensely Rich. This is called Topper Black by Kat Von D, and I like how it works. It went in smoothly, very easy to use. And the liquid eyeliner too, I love how it works. None of it is running, and the liquid eyeliner dry really fast. I like it. Thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me this free gift, and thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.